I am not a shirts person, but this shirt changed it for me. This one is exactly a Zara dupe, and I'm not even kidding. I had to get something with bows. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya and welcome to another video. आज का जो वीडियो होने वाला है, it's a top wear haul from Amazon and it's not just tops, it's also a lot of shirts. So it was everything that was in my wish list since past some time and I thought कि ये month इसके लिए haul करते हैं. Also few of you requested for like a shirts haul. So they are not like all shirts, but it's a mix of like shirts and tops and t-shirts and all that stuff, including the one that I'm wearing right now, very cute Powerpuff Girl one. Also ये सारे products जो मैं आज आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ, everything is from Amazon and all the details will be in my description box. मैं सारे links जो है वो comments में भी pin कर दूंगी. So make sure करना कि आप उसे check कर लो. Amazon पे sale भी चल रही है, so don't forget to check that out. And you can avail some amazing offers up to 70 to 80% off on some of your favorite brands. And I always say this कि sale में shop करना हमेशा better होता है because you can get actually some crazy discounts. So make sure कि आप उसे description box में check कर लेना. And yeah, I'm very excited to show you guys today because it's a very summery haul and something जो current season के लिए just perfect है. So let's get into it. Okay, let's get started with my favorite item from this haul, and I am lately into shirts. I have never been a shirt person. I've always worn like very feminine clothes, very cute dresses and like cute tops, but lately I thought I should experiment with my style and I discovered shirts, and since then I don't think so I'm going back. So the first one that I've got is this one. It has this very cute print of smileys all over it. The best part is कि मैं आपका जितने भी clothing items दिखा रही हूँ. In shirts, everything is cotton material and summers and cotton goes together so well. We all know that. So this first item is the shirt. It's a crop shirt. It's not very long, but I won't call it like proper crop also because ये आपके waist तक आएगा. If you don't want even that तो एक अलग चीज हो गई, but waist तक आएगा, so it's perfect to wear with your jeans and everything. And इसमें जो print है वो पूरा like colorful print है of these smileys which I found very cute. And this is the price. मैं सारे prices भी यहाँ पे mention करती जाऊंगी जिससे आपको सबका idea लगता जाए. And if it fits in your budget, you can check out in the description of course. And this is how I styled it. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ऐसी जो shirts होती है अगर आप इसको open button के साथ style करो and just pair up like a good crop top, या फिर crop top नहीं भी पहनना अंदर आप एक tank top पहन सकते हो तब भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है. So I've shown you guys both the ways मैंने इसको कैसे पहना है along with the tank top and without the tank top as well. And I think this looks very cute. It had to be the first item. When I saw it, I knew I have to get it. Very summery and perfect for like college wear as well. अभी तो like colleges off चल रहे हैं, but like my college started in June and I remember fretting so much कि यार college क्या पहन के जाया करूँ because it was very strict dress code in my college. So if you're looking for something for college, just wear a good white like jeans or a flared denim along with this and you'll be good to go. And जिसको denim नहीं पसंद है summers के लिए, you can even wear like a good cargo pant along with this, a black cargo. It will look very nice. And yeah, that's the first item that I got. Super cute, very summery and cotton at the same time. Is again a shirt, but this one is something जो मैंने एक size बड़ी लिया है. So I got this shirt by Campus Sutra. इनके मैंने पहले भी कुछ clothing items try करे हैं and I really liked it, but I never tried like a shirt from them. So it's a very trendy piece, I would say, this striped shirt. Usually men's के section में you'll always find these kind of stuff, but female section में you never find this. And just stripes होती भी, they're very boring. They're usually like black and white, red and white, and I did not want that. I wanted something pastel. I wanted something nice, and this is just perfect for summers. Very pastel color because it's that sky blue, baby blue color, and इस पे पूरा जो print है, जो lines हैं, जो style है horizontal lining का, that's again in a very pretty baby pink color and white, so it creates a very good contrast at the same time. मैंने ये size up करा था because I wanted like a baggy fit since I use these kind of shirts for layering, and if you want to use it for layering तो मुझे लगता है एक size up करना हमेशा better होता है. The baggy fit looks very nice. Again, if you want to just pair it or tuck it in inside your jeans or shorts तो उसमें भी थोड़ा वो baggy fit जो होता है ना वो ज़्यादा smart लगता है. So I went ahead with M instead of S. I usually wear S, but with this I went ahead with M. Again, cotton material, super comfortable. The price range you can see here, very affordable at the same time. And this is how it looks when I wear it. I think for the price, it's actually a steal deal because इस price range में मुझे नहीं लगता है कि इससे better कोई भी deal आपको मिलने वाली है. The shirt quality is top notch. I don't wear shirts, but I know that I'm gonna wear it a lot. तो मैंने एक क्रॉप ली थी और एक मैंने ऐसे में ले ली थी प्रॉपर शर्ट स्टाइल. ये भी मतलब बहुत लंबी नहीं है, बट ये आराम से अंदर टक इन हो जाएगी. So definitely something that you can invest in for your college wardrobe or even for your work wardrobe if you're a working professional. And like my best friends, they all go to office and they often tell me ki yaar, halls are useful, but we want something that we can wear for office. So this is probably gonna be one of those stuff that you can wear for your office with a good white trousers or a jeans, whatever is more comfortable to you. And yeah, that's the next item that I got. Okay, coming to the next few items. So ये मैंने दो shirts ली थी. I also got few tops and t-shirts. So first one, let's talk about t-shirt. So I'm wearing it right now. It's this Powerpuff Girl t-shirt and it's a crop t-shirt. आपको कैमरा में अभी पूरा नहीं दिख रहा होगा because I'm sitting, but I'll attach a video right here so you can see how it's actually looking on me. And I love Buttercup. मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि out of all the three मुझे Buttercup सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद थी. But I didn't get her, so I got this one and I really like this one as well. And I think it's very cute print. It's by Soul Store and इनका best part मुझे ये लगता है कि इनका जो print होता है ना, usually prints कई बार ऐसे होते हैं जैसे उभरे उभरे ऊपर से होते हैं. So when you wash them, they get spoiled. But this one doesn't get spoiled. मैंने last month इसका एक और haul करा था t-shirts वाला. उसमें again मैंने 2-3 Soul Store की t-shirt ली थी and the quality was very nice. So I thought I'll go with their crop top only, and it's very cute, very girly at the same time. And if you have been a Powerpuff Girl fan, you will just love this item. Here's the price range for this. I went ahead with size small and it's quite perfect on me, and I think if you are my body type, you can definitely go with the same style and the same size. It will look very very cute, very adorable, and just great for summers. I think ऐसे easy breezy looks जो होता है summers में carry करना बहुत easy हो जाता है. Again, you can even pair it with a pair of shorts and just go out. It's just perfect. Next up, I got few tops. Actually, I wasn't planning on purchasing tops because I already have quite a few tops. But when I saw these, I know I want them for summers. And I love basic tops for summer. So I got 3 or 4 of them. So let me just show you those also. तो सबसे पहले तो मैंने ये लिया है Glare and Blair का this very cute lettuce trimmed top in baby green color, if it's a color that exists, but it's a very light shade of green and it's a ribbed material. So मेरे पास Glare and Blair के और भी tops हैं, and one I have very similar in this in like yellow color, baby yellow, but उसपे ना ऐसा जो मैंने जिस main reason की वजह से ये top लिया, one was color, the other was this neck पे detailing. So they have this lace detailing going on, and currently I'm very much into like bows and laces. In fact, आप मेरे अगर previous hauls भी देखोगे, you will realize that yeah, I am picking those items which has like a lot of bows and laces. So this one was something that I had to pick. I love the neck detailing. It's that very beautiful V cowl neck kind of thing. Cowl neck तो नहीं है exactly, but that V square kind of thing, and I really like this. Yeah, this is pretty much how it looks. Perfect for the price range. I'm in size small again for this one. Very stretchable, and मुझे सबसे अच्छी बात ये लगती है कि इस brand के, because I've tried and tested a lot of brands on Amazon. This is one of my favorite brands on Amazon. It's a local brand, but the quality they provide is literally H&M material wala quality. It's super stretchable. As you can see it on camera, the material is completely ripped and it's so stretchy. So even if you like thoda sa loose fitted, you can just go for your own size. It will not be so uncomfortable that you can't wear it. Well fitted top and just great color for summers. इसमें और भी color variations थे. I remember having like good 8 to 10 options. I went ahead with something which I did not have, so I went ahead with this one. Another top from the same brand, but it's a full sleeve top. I know it's too hot to wear full sleeves, but this one doesn't feel that hot, so I got it, and it had bows, so of course you get the reason why I got it. So I'm talking about this top. It's a very basic in this magenta-ish pinkish color. I don't exactly know what should I call this color because it doesn't fit in pink, it doesn't fit in magenta, so it's somewhere in between, but I really like the color. It's full sleeves, of course, and ripped again in material, but I know so many people who like wearing full sleeves even summers. They're more comfortable that way, and it's completely fine if you're comfortable. Like, I'm not someone who loves wearing summers mein aisa full sleeves, but this one, it's just so comfortable that I can wear it. And it has these cute little bows all over the top. Isme kuch aisa 4 bows lage hain equal in distance pe, wide bows, and we all know it's the season of bows, so I had to get something like this. Super cute, super adorable, and this is how it looks. I like how it fits me very very well, and just pair it up with a good shorts, jeans, skirt ke sath bhi बहुत चलेगा with like a white tennis skirt, and you're good to go. Next up, I again got a top, very basic top. Actually, मैंने कुछ और order करा था, but मुझे deliver कुछ और हुआ है. I ordered a butterfly top, which was like all blue, and उसके ऊपर ऐसी 3 butterflies थी छोटी छोटी. But I got like a white top. I'll just attach a picture over here for reference what I ordered, and this is what I got. I got a white top with this center में blue butterfly. Although it's different from what I ordered, I still like it a lot. So I decided to keep it. मैंने इसका tag wag भी हटा दिया because I really like it. And it's a very basic crop top and for everyday basis, college के लिए, घर के लिए, मुझे ऐसा लगता है ऐसे crop tops बहुत use आता है because it's not very crop also. It just fits till your waist, which is the perfect length बाहर जाने के लिए. And this is how it looks. Here's the price for this one. I think it's perfect for summer season. And I genuinely feel कि ऐसे tops जो होते हैं वो amp up कर देते हैं आपकी पूरी wardrobe को because it's a very hassle-free outfit idea. You don't have anything to wear, just pick out a crop top like this and a denim and pair it up and you're good to go. So I really like something like this. Staple pieces in wardrobe, but thoda elevated style. More of, I would say, elevated basics. Okay, there is one more item in this haul which I wanted to show you guys. Actually, I'm wearing it right now and it's this bottom wear shorts. I'll just attach a video over here because the last time I posted a haul and you guys asked where are the shorts from. So again, I got this pair of new shorts from Amazon and they are white denim shorts. So I was having so many denim shorts but my was white mein nahi tha, and white really goes well with a lot of things. So I wanted a white short and this one just fits perfectly. मैंने जब अपना Amazon bottom wear haul करा था मैंने इसी brand का Tokyo Talkies का I went ahead and bought like a black one and a blue one which fitted me perfectly. So I knew the brand, I knew मुझे इस brand का ही खरीदना है. So I went ahead, bought a white one. My waist is 28 size small for reference and this is how it fits me. The best part is इसका white जो है वो transy नहीं है, so whatever undergarment you're wearing it won't be visible. That's something I really love about this short and price range भी बहुत affordable है and it's not one of those denim जो आप समझ में ना पहन पाओ. You know, you feel like it's too heavy to wear. It's just one of those cotton denim वाला material if you're getting what I'm trying to say. And yeah, that's how it looks and I literally paired everything that I've showed you guys with this one short and it just works really well. Yeah guys, these were all the items that I got from Amazon recently. Do tell me which one is your favorite. If I have to pick mine, I think the blue shirt and the shorts will be my favorite because it's a very summery staple outfit and I love shopping from Amazon and I think recently I got a knack कि मैं figure out कर लेती हूँ क्या कपड़े अच्छे लगने वाले हैं. By the way, सब कुछ Amazon से again and सारी चीजें description box and comments में भी pinned है तो आप check कर लेना. Don't forget to check out the amazing offers also that's going on. I hope you guys like this haul. Do comment down below and tell me what kind of hauls you would like me to make. I'll make sure कि मैं next month उससे related कुछ कर पाऊँ. And I'm gonna see you guys super soon with another video. Until then, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Also bell icon so that you never miss a video from me. I'm gonna see you next week. Until then, bye.